everyone. We're going to start our streaming exactly at 10 o'clock Manila time. Stay put and talk to you in a few. I would like to greet Arlene, Black Clover, Israel, Basnigan, Reckless Campaign, Globen Malbas, Rene Luis Sanchez, Mary Lumonto, Kent the Great, the Mail, Jericho, Bergonia, Rico, and Rick, and all of you guys. Good evening. We'll start at 10 o'clock. Thank you. Hey again, everyone. To 101 people waiting for the live streaming, let's all sit back and relax. We'll officially start po ng alas 10 ng gabi. Salamat at kumuha ka muna ng kape, ang magandang upuan habang nakikinig at naghihintay ng ating live stream. Talk to you again later on. See you! Alright. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ito si Coach MirandaMiner and welcome to our daily crypto news, fundamentals, traders quotient, at kung ano-ano pa all in one channel. Today is Tuesday. Tuesday pa nga ba o Wednesday na o gusto mo nang matapos ang ating buwan, no? May mga tao dito sinasabi nila, Coach, can you just wake me up when September ends? No, wake me up when September ends. All right. I hope that you are doing well today. It's 10 o'clock p.m. Manila time. Good evening, wherever you are. Good evening there good morning actually there in the United States. Sa mga nakikinig dyan sa atin sa US of A, dyan sa California, sila Beth, no, dyan sa Maryland, sila Judex, and of course, ang kanyang mga kaibigan niya dyan na tinatawag nila, they call themselves Flip to Friends. Yan, mga members ng Flip to Friends, mga utol, mga brad, mga tol, kamusta na kayo dyan, no? And sa lahat ng mga Pinoy there in Baltimore, magandang umaga sa inyo dyan. I hope that everything is doing well. Kami naman sa Pilipinas is same, no? We're actually excited kasi naku, matatapos na ang election registration. Nakapag-register ka na ba for election? And I hope ako, nag-register ka na kasi you need to have that right of suffrage, di ba? Sabi nga nila. And then of course, habang nagpaparehistro, kumain na rin ng masarap na donut doon sa kanto, no? Kasi ang haba ng pila eh. Napakahaba ng pila ng registration ngayon, no? Anyways, our topic for today is about Bitcoin testing the 40,000 USDT. No? Kahapon, sinasabi ni Coach Miranda Miner, teka, sabi niya. Sabi ko kahapon, mag-antay kasi meron pang isang paparating na bear, malaking bear, no? At true enough, actually dumating na nga si 40,000, no? Siguro kung hindi ka nakinig at pinasok mo ng 43,000 at akala mo tataas pa 'yan, siguro nung nakita mo na nag 40,000, siguro pinawisan ka ng malagkit at umikot yung tiyan mo, no? So, mga madalis lang naman 'yan. And alam niyo sinasabi ko 'yan kasi nga actually, alam ng mga estudyante ko 'to, no, minsan pinapanalangin ko bumaba, eh. Hindi, kasi kailangan niyang bumaba para magrehistro siya ng isang bullish convergence, no? Kailangan mo magrehistro ng mas mababang presyo ng isang coin. And normally, parang imagine mo yung coin tumataas ng tumataas. Meron pa siyang isang all-time higher high candle. That's the same trend if you are actually on a bear trend, no? If you're on a bearish bias, kukuha pa ng isang bearish yan. Kukuha pa ng isang bearish yan, So, nagrehistro pa ng isang lower low, no? Lower low candle. We'll further go with that in a few. But of course, I would like to greet lahat ng mga nasa live natin today. Si Castor Troy, Just Penny, Kian Chomike, Ian James Invierno, Pretty Jane, Mark Jason Quinones, Jerry Flores, Jeo, Diomar Salva, Gags 3.0. Kanina pa to, kasama ko to si Gags dun. Kasama ba kita sa live ko sa Axie kanina? Moderator Joms, Michael Barrera, salamat Exena PH, not the one. Ronnie Jacobs, parang American sounding yung pangalan ni Ronnie Jacobs. Alright, magandang gabi lahat sa inyo. And of course, I am actually available in all different streams. I'm actually streaming right now in Facebook, I'm streaming in YouTube, and I'm also streaming in Twitch. No, tune in because I do have daily live at 10 p.m. here in YouTube, in Facebook, and in Twitch. I also do a 5 p.m. grind of my Axie, which is currently ranked 400 globally. No, on the off season of Axie Infinity. All right, let's try to go and deep dive into our topics for today. Medyo I prepared a couple of things that we need to discuss today. Let's start with our headlines. Okay, our headlines for today, number one. Our headline is number one, September 21 headlines, expecting a range or consolidation between the recent lower low and lower high price points. Ito ay magkakaroon ng ranging, no, for the next couple of days. Bibigyan kita ng konting idea pag binasag niya itong resistance or support na to, what's gonna be the potential price point. Okay, price point. All right, that's gonna be the first headline. We're expecting a range and a consolidation between the recent lower low and the lower high price points. Okay, let's try to move on. The next headline is the stock market fear influence to the crypto market. Bakit meron bang impluwensya tong stock market, no? Sinasabi natin matagal na cryptocurrency is decentralized, dapat wala ka nang pakialam sa cryptocurrency, but because dumadami na mga institutions, mga hedge firms, capitalists that are actually expecting and investing in crypto. At At hindi naman dahil gusto nila or ayaw nila, napipilitan sila kasi yung mga kliyente nilang ultra-rich, the ultra-rich clients of these hedge fund managers would like to dip their hands into the cryptocurrency space kasi nga naman, year to date, pumapalo ng 9,000% ang Solana. Saan ka makakita ng ganyang stock market stocks ngayon? Kahit anong growth or dividend yielding stocks yan, bihira ang mga 9,000, 8,000 growth year over year or year to date. The next headline for today is about Fed announcements to come about Bitcoin ETF, no? Something that's going to be driving some bullishness in the market, but we'll get to see what's going to be the impact, guys, no? Ang Fed will be having an announcements to come about Bitcoin and of course ang SEC, aprubahan ba nila yan? If they approve it, it's going to be a very, 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 very bullish um, news. May mga nababalitaan ako na dinedelay talaga nila to because they want the market to FUD. They want the market to FUD with all the different irrelevant updates. No? Parang bakit ba nga ba kailangan maapektuhan ng cryptocurrency ng China? Eh, di ba wala na nga si China? Di ba wala na nga si China? Di ba dapat si China is irrelevant na kasi nga nag-pull out ka na, di ba? Why do you keep haunting the price of the coins? No? So we'll get to know more about that later on. But another headline for today is about China PR issues exactly, no? China press the bad PR issues in China should not be related to Bitcoin, but the investments and hedge firms are making a bold bandwagon move to spread FUD. What do you mean by bandwagon? Ito ay isang terminolohiya na nangangahulugan. It is a marketing term actually, no? Marketing term na kung saan ikaw ay you're joining the big group of people creating or spreading FUD. No? Merong gumagawa niyan, I believe someone is at the back end of this FUD, no? Kasi wala namang negative issue ang coin eh. You know, there's really no issue about the coins today. Ang daming lumalabas na FUD PRs ngayon. People are selling on news, no? And because of that, the retailers are panicking, no? And it's creating a significant bear, no, sa price ng mga coin, no? Which is to be honest with you, medyo maiinis ka din eh. No? Ano pang kinalaman mo sa China, 'di ba? But at the end of the day, you know, you need to deal with this because it's a global economy, no? Cryptocurrency is not just in the Philippines, not just in El Salvador, but it's actually a global in nature. You know, it's an asset with a global footprint. Hindi lang dollar, no? It's the asset with global footprint. So ibig sabihin niyan, lahat kahit ano mangyari sa anumang parte ng mundo, there's gonna be a potential impact to the coin, no? There's gonna be a potential impact to the coin. All right, next one. Last but not the least, ADA. Nako, magandang news sana ito, no? ADA is currently prepping for their big move this 25th and 26th kung saan lahat ng mga developers ay magsasama understanding Plutus and Haskell. Nako, napakagandang news. Tingnan natin ang kanilang medyo magandang updates for today. Yan, ayan ang kanilang video, September 25 and September 26. Guys, you can register actually. It's actually for free. It's for free. Just need to put your address, your date of information, everything that's actually relevant para ma-receive mo yung invitation. But this is gonna be happening on the 25th and 26. Naku, tingnan natin. Siguro merong konting push, no? May konting push ito in terms of the price of the coin, no? We'll do some TA later, but it looks like talagang pinaghahandaan nila, no? Ang preparations at ang conferences, no? When I look down further, you will notice that it's actually all around the world. No, Cape Town, Tokyo, New York, I don't know. I mean, hopefully meron siyang magandang impact, no? Just be if you want to join, just click on your put your full name and your address, and then you'll be invited to join. It's actually virtual, and then you could actually do check if there's a local group, particularly on ADA, no, na you are interested to join. And of course, partnership wise, you know, yan mga partners nila yan from a summit perspective. Yan. Are you excited? Are you excited? Nako. I'm really excited, but of course, you cannot be very bullish right now, no? Sinabi ni coach kahapon sa kanyang show, we need to be careful Careful, no? Type number one, kung nakinig ka kahapon kay coach at ikaw ay hindi nag-trade muna at baka na ikaw ay baka ikaw ay napabenta ng mas mababang price nung pumalo ng ng 40,000 USDT itong si Bitcoin, So sana you are hashtag I am safe, no? Hashtag I am safe. So, alright. Anyways, oy, salamat sa magandang comment, not the one, salamat. Ang sarap pakinggan ng boses ni coach. Pwede ba akong magluto? Bigyan pa kita ng mga gusto mo bang gayahin ko yung boses ng panlasang Pinoy? Alam mo ba, para maging magkaibigan tayo, kailangan na ah, I'm just trying to modulate my voice, guys. Anyways, yon. So, before we start with our headlines, so let me just try to read, ang ating crypto price or cryptocurrency coins prices for today. All right, let's just do this. Let us do this. All of us. All right, Bitcoin is currently at 42,877. And for the past 24 hours, is still negative 3%. Katulad ng lahat ng coins sa baba, sila ay nagre-rehistro ng mas mababang presyo. No? Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, up until the next couple of coins are actually on a negative territory, albeit single-digit volatility lang sila over the past 24 hours. What is happening? No? Ano bang ginagawa ng mga tao ngayon? Ang tingin ko, and listen very carefully on this, no? Ang tingin kong ginagawa ng mga tao ngayon, yung mga nakabili, no, ng Bitcoin on a 35,000 level, I think they're taking profits already. Ito yung mga short-term hodlers na nakabili sa ibaba a couple of weeks ago, and I think they're trying to secure their profits. So tapos nang magbenta yung mga nakabili sa 52, 48, na liquidate na yun, no? So yung mga nasa ilalim na nakabenta ng 35, I think they're securing their profits just in case this further goes down to 35. Okay? I think they're securing their profits. Kaya ang nangyayari diyan, nagkakaroon ng ripple effect, no, sa presyo ng mga coin. Okay? Does that make sense to you when I say taking profit or doing a TP because nakabili sila sa 35, 36,000 range? May mga negative PR kasi na lumalabas na potentially this price can potentially go down even further, no? So technically year to date kumita ka pa din, no? If you look at the year to date column, pero 7 days, and if you look at the past 30 days, nagne-negative territory na siya. So what does that mean is I think the customers or the clients today, okay, are already taking profit. No? Pag maubos yung mga yan, you will now have a fresh customer base na bibili na ng coins. No? You need to remember, ang dami nagbebenta over the past couple of days. Nauubos yan, okay? Pag naubos yan, okay, marami pang nakaharang dyan sa 38,000. No? Marami nakaharang dyan. Marami dyan nag-aantay ng uh, buying positions. No? And it can potentially bounce on that. Kasi sabi ko nga sa inyo, even sa university, sinasabi ko lagi to, no? Psychologically, ang ating support ay nangangahulugan. Ito ay area kung saan marami nag-aantay na buyers, no? At 38,000 level. Okay. Okay. All right, let's try to move on. Cardano is currently at 2.14. No, a piece, all negative for the past 24, 7 days and 30 days. Year to date bullish pa rin at 1,126%. Pero tingnan natin kung ito ay aalagwa pataas because of the positive news. Sana nga naman makatulong 'tong positive news na 'to, no? Alright. Tether is currently down further at 68 point. Well, actually, it's a bit up, no? Kahapon 68.2 yan. You're currently up, Tether at 68.7 billion circulation supply. Binance Coin is currently at 366, no? Nagre-range ito ng 375 up to 360. That's gonna be the range that they're actually doing today. With a rank number 5. No? Rank number 5. XRP is still ranked number 6. Comfortable position at 93 centavos a piece. All negative territory for 24/7 and 30 days, but still positive on the year-to-date perspective. It's currently at 43 billion market capitalization. Solana is down at number 7. It's $137.79. Bullish pa rin for the past 30 days pero negative territory na siya sa 24 and 7 days. It's currently at 41 billion market capitalization. Polkadot currently at 28.93, si DOT, nagre-range ito sa 26, 27, 28, and 29. That's the range, no? Parang si Bitcoin, nagre-range yan sa 45 and 40. No? That's gonna be the range, okay? Currently, DOT is at rank number 9 at 28 billion market cap. Medyo baka maungusan at magbiglang mag-number 8 ito, no? Dogecoin is currently at number 10. It slid down to number 10. It's currently bearish on 24/7 and 30 days territory. It's currently 21 centavos a piece. AVAX is all bullish. Still bullish coin. Maganda ang kanyang fundamentals because may mga papasok na fused money. Paparating na money, no? Avalanche. Uniswap, medyo negative din. Nag-follow sa ibang trends sa mga nasa taas na coins. It's currently almost a little lower than $21 today, 20.86 to be exact. It's currently negative 3.55, negative 13.15, and negative 25.65 on the 24, 7 days, and 30 days territory. Binance Coin or BUSD is currently at a dollar, of course. At its current circulating supply is currently at 12.85 billion. Luna, maraming may paborito kay Luna. All right, Luna is currently ranked number 14, both negative on 24 and 7 days, but bullish pa din, 4,215% year to date. It's currently ranked number 14 at 11.22 billion. Link, LTC or Litecoin, Algo, and Philcoin all are on the negative territory for the 24/7 and 7 days and 30 days. Everyone from top 1 to 20 coin is positive on the year to date perspective. All right. Okay. So couple of things that you need to know based on our headline earlier. No? Based on our headline earlier. Of course, meron bang epekto ang macroeconomics at ang ang big stock market, no? Ang big stock market sa cryptocurrency. So when I look further, by the way guys, pinag-uusapan natin kahapon ng rates, no? Good news, no, for Ayala rates and DDMPR or Double Dragon rates. They have recently been added to the FTSE listing, no, sa Japan, no. So basically, it's a very good news for DDMPR holders and A rate, no. So good job, good job. I think they're the first two pa lang naman in the Philippines because si Philinvest and si RLC kaka-join pa lang ng rates nila. Okay, let's try to move on. Of course, meron pong epekto ang takbo ng stock market, no? So when we look at S&P 500, okay, S&P 500 actually is one of sort of the index, no, na tinitingnan ng maraming malalaking companies. Parang itong PSEI index, no? Philippines Stocks Exchange Index. Ito ay binubuo ng 500 strongest companies from a P&L valuation standpoint, no? Primarily focusing on global technology and technological structures, no, or companies. So makikita mo dito if you look at the past 5 days, makikita mo dito yung takbo ng S&P index katulad siya ni crypto. No? If you've noticed here, if you look at the S&P 500, nung pumalo yung Monday opening, bumagsak yung ng from an average of 4,433, pumalo at ng 4,318. So, bagsakan ng ang market because the hedge, the institutions are actually cleaning their hands. Meaning, nagda-lighten up ng load sila. No? And because of this, nagkaroon ng bentahan because sabi ko kahapon merong massive sell-off na nangyayari because of the Evergrande real estate issues. Bakit malaking issue yan sa stock market? Because the Evergrande issue, it's one of the biggest. Isipin mo, siya si SM ng Pilipinas. No? So from a rental company perspective, sila ay napakalaking kumpanya at they have actually, para siyang BlackRock ng US, napakalaki. No? BlackRock is the largest real estate owner looks like in the world, no? So Evergrande is creating a lot of havoc from a bad news standpoint. Kumbaga, ang daming negative issues, no? Negativity. So si S&P 500 bumagsak din yan pagka-open ng market nung Monday. Imagine mo, from an average of 44.32, bumagsak ng almost 43.66, almost 70 points natanggal sa market. napakalaki niyan. Ang daming massive buying and selling na nangyari, no? Although net it's still actually nakabawi naman, no? It's around it's 0.3%. It's currently at 0.33. Bumawi ng 14.24 points, no? So bumawi siya and mukhang kinokopya siya ngayon ng Bitcoin, no? Kinokopya siya ngayon ng cryptocurrency trend. If you've noticed, umilalim pa to ng 4,308 at ngayon bumubong ng 4,386. Pero nagkaroon ng correction on this area. Hindi niya na butas itong previous high na to. So, kumukuha siya ng itsura, no, sa trend ng stock market. Although, may mga technicians pa din na nagsasabi na pwedeng merong pagkakatulad, pero hindi pwedeng talagang magkatulad, no? Because marami nagsasabi that cryptocurrency is still different, still decentralized. But let me give you my 2 points on this. Let me give you my 2 satoshis, kumbaga, di ba? So, sa outside world, sinasabi natin, let me give you my 2 cents, di ba? Sweet sa corporate world. Pero ngayon sasabihin natin, let me give you my 2 satoshis. Okay, this is my 2 satoshis cents, no? 2 satoshis worth. I think meron pa ding pwedeng similarities kasi you need to remember, one of the biggest companies ngayon that's actually owning 100,000 Bitcoin is actually into the stock market as well. They're under the emblem of MicroStrategy, no? Ayun ang pangalan nila diyan. Number two, si Michael Saylor, obviously, who is the chairman of MicroStrategy, is also engaged in Bitcoin. Most recently, they bought 100,000 worth of Bitcoin, no? And they bought another 100 million worth of Bitcoin, no? And then, ang nakakatawa pa, no? It is just kind of to add into this discussion, di ba? Every time na bumabagsak si Bitcoin, nagtitweet itong presidente ng El Salvador. Sinasabi niya, oops, thank you for the dip. We're able to buy another 100 Bitcoin. So, I mean, a president tweeting that way, sige, magbenta lang kayo. Sige, mag-market fund kayo. Parami ng parami ang Bitcoin ng El Salvador. This is another Michael Saylor, only in the political arena. Diba? On the political arena, you have a Michael Saylor in the political arena who keeps on buying Bitcoin habang lahat nagkakaroon ng gulo. No? So for me, I think there is a potential correlation, kumbaga in English, no? There's a correlation between stock market and cryptocurrency, and to be honest, ang tagal lang hindi ganito dapat, no? Kasi nga cryptocurrency is a global currency, wala siyang pakialam sa isang bansa, no? So dapat it looks like, there is an effect, and whenever there is a konting pag-recover ng stock market, doon umakyat din ng konti si cryptocurrency. Okay, and all the other news today, ni-review ko na lahat siya, guys. That's why kung nag-prepare na ako ng headlines sa inyo. All the other news today are just a rehash. No, all rehash, and I don't think anything is significant at this point. I may be wrong, but based on my scanning kanina, itong OpenSea, okay na to, nabasa na natin to, itong OpenSea issues. Itong OpenSea, this is actually an NFT platform, no? Sikat na NFT platform yan. Of course, yung latest issue about Uniswap legal issues, ang pinakamalaking issue ngayon is about the ETF ng Bitcoin. Marami nagsusulong dyan, no? And of course, there's a lot of conferences na nangyayari for the past couple of days kung saan nag-uusap na sa US ngayon in terms of ano ba ang magiging next step natin in case magkaroon tayo ng ETF Bitcoin, no? And tatandaan ninyo, guys, hindi pa tayo tapos doon sa infrastructure bill na gustong ipasa sa US, no? Sa US Congress, no? Which is gonna be a very good monumental bill na kailangan nating malaman kasi nga pag ito natuloy at sinimulan nilang lagyan ng tax ang mga minero sa US, mukhang muka na mag-outsource ngayon ng mga nasa states, no? They will outsource, ilalabas nila ang mga crypto mining machine out of the US to another country na potentially walang taxation. So malaking news 'yan. So ang daming pwedeng mangyari within this year, and what is going to be my 2 satoshis worth, no? I don't think anyone is in the position today to know kung ano talaga mangyayari. If anyone is telling you that they are 100% sure that Bitcoin is going to be 50,000 today or tomorrow, then be careful. Be very mindful. No? Be very mindful. Kaya nga sinasabi ko sa inyo over the past couple of days, these are my parang ganito, no? I'm actually preparing a presentation sa inyo. Ito yung aking mga research. Ito yung mga baseline natin, kumbaga. No? And I've been doing research every day, every day, every day para isang bagsakan na lang sa 10 o'clock natin. Para makikinig ka na lang. But if someone tells you on what's gonna be the price with a definitive 100%, then you need to be scared. You need to be fearful already. Because I don't think anyone in this at this point in time can be very definitive. I've been watching news for the past couple of hours before ako mag-live ka sa Axie kanina. And all that I'm hearing is speculation, speculation. No one can really predict. They can actually give some insights, which I'm gonna be giving to you later on today. But I'm just warning you, if someone tells you that okay, you need to go long right now because this coin will be 100% going to the moon, matakot ka na po, no? Mag-alsabalutan ka na. That is an irresponsible statement to hear from someone. Kahit ako nag-YouTube ngayon, I need to be really responsible on what I tell you. No? I need not because I want someone to watch my show, kung ano na lang sabihin ko dito. We need to be very careful with that. No? Anyways, speaking of what I'm trying to say, I've been actually tweeting, no? Nagde-tweet po tayo ng couple of things na tingin natin potential, no? Potential insights, kumbaga. Hindi ako definitive, but this can happen. And natutuwa naman ako kasi for the past couple of days, for the past couple of weeks, no? We have been actually creating or sending tweets na sana nababasa po ninyo. At ito po ay nagkakaroon ng reality, no? Tulad kahapon sinabi po natin that Bitcoin can potentially go down further, and true enough, no, bumagsak po ito ng halos 40,000, nag-test siya ng 40,000 level. Oy, thank you G for the super chat. Maraming salamat. Okay. So, if you look at the 30 minutes time frame ni Bitcoin, I'm actually using the chart called Coin Analyzed. If you look at the chart, no, sabi natin kahapon, ito pa lang yung itsura ng chart kahapon. This was the look of the charts. This one. We're actually tracking to the territory of 43,000 kahapon, no? 43,000 territory kahapon. So let me just try to adjust the time frame. Okay. So kahapon around this time, no? September 20, alas 8 ng hapon, ang presyo natin umaabot ng 43,000 at umakyat pa siya ng konti, nag-range pa siya dito, no? So kahapon sabi natin meron ng 15 minutes na divergence kahapon. Sabi ko sa mga moderators, there is a divergence pero wait ka lang, no? Kasi I'm waiting for one more push, one more pullback pababa, no? It's actually tracking this way. Nung bumaba siya, around 8:30 ng gabi, around 42,488, marami na natakot dyan. No? People got liquidated during this time. No? 42,000. So it tried to recover at around 42,000 nung around 8:30. Bakit? Kasi nung 15 minutes, if you go to the 15 minutes time frame, by the way, naka-high kinashi ako guys ha. Ayan o. You will notice that, okay, you will notice that there's already a formation of a lower low here. Okay, around this particular area. But if you notice, si MACD hindi na siya nag-a-agree. If you notice, MACD is already going upwards. Diba? So if MACD is going upwards on the 15 minutes time frame, no, you're seeing a bullish convergence. Pero sabi natin kahapon, wait, there's more. You're only looking at the 15 minutes time frame, ha? So, true enough, sabi natin, hihila yan pataas pero mag-intay ka. Huwag kang atat, no? Okay, so true enough, bumaba pa lalo, bumaba at doon na bumuga pataas. Nagkaroon ng retesting at 44,000. Marami nang sumaya niyan. No? Pero sabi natin, huwag ka munang magdiwang. No, huwag ka munang magdiwang. Bakit? Kasi potentially hihila pa yan pababa. No, it can potentially go down even further para makakita tayo ng mas malaking bullish convergence, no, on a 30 minutes time frame. So let's just try to do this, no? So nagkaroon tayo ng 30 minutes time frame. Of course, nagkaroon ng retesting sa price ng 40,000. 40,000, and look at what it did to the MACD. The MACD said, teka lang, tumaas ka na, imposible ka na, hindi ka na totoo. Tumaas ka na. So tinaas niya na yung price from a MACD perspective, but there was a lower low formation on the 40,000. So guys, you need to be very, 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 very careful. Teka lang, meron palang isa nag-drawing, ganito daw yun. Ganito daw yung ano niya. Yan. Ano tawag dyan, guys? May heart, no? May heart na nabuo. No? May heart na nabuo. Ayan. Ayan. So we're waiting for a lower low. Bakit? Kasi nga, we need to have a more convincing bullish divergence. We need to have a more convincing bullish convergence, no? So kailangan it's trying to meet each other. But here's the problem. Here's the problem. If you look into the lower time frame, yes, you are seeing yan. You're seeing a obviously you're seeing a lower low here, no? There is a formation of a lower low price. Nagkaroon ng support area sa 40,000 area, no? And then si MACD is nag-agree na. So if you look at, let's try to zoom out of the chart. And if you're my student, normal na word na yan sa atin. Pag hindi ka nag-zoom out, nako, ewan ko na lang sa'yo. If you try to zoom out on the chart, it would actually look like this further. Let me just try to open the 4 hours chart. Ayan. So if you will notice on the 4 hours chart, ladies and gentlemen, okay, nag-retest siya ng price as early as August 6. No, bumalik yung price natin as early as 1 month ago. Nag-retest siya dyan. No? Nag-retest siya. Bakit? Kasi meron ditong previous resistance. May previous resistance dyan. Ang dami niya nang binasag eh. Binasag niya tong support na to. Binasag niya yung support na yan. Binasag niya si 618. Ang dami niyang binasag, guys. So, ano mangyayari? What could be the potential direction ng coin? Again, this is direction, ha? Okay, this is, again, what you're noticing dyan sa ibaba, no? You understand that this is, you got this information in your own volition. I'm not your advisor. Follow me at your own risk. But what I'm trying to say to you, and ako naman, natutuwa naman ako kasi mga sinasabi ko ay nagiging totoo naman. No? So, it's up to you. This is my 2 Satoshi's worth, kumbaga. So, in my perspective, there could be 2 distinct areas na pwedeng itong mag-range. Listen very carefully, okay? There could be 2 distinct areas where this could potentially range, okay? Okay, let me tell you point number 1. Okay. Point number 1, of course, gagawa tayo ng tinatawag nating fib. Yan ang malagi nauuna sa atin, no? If we make a Fibonacci retracement here from the very bottom up until sa pinakataas, your 618 could be a 38,282. Trust me when I say this, pwede pa niyang i-test ang 38,000. Hindi ako nananakot. I'm just trying to say, marami pong nag-aabang na buyers dito sa price na to. This is your 618 area. Okay? Marami nag-aabang dyan. Okay, hindi ako nagsabi niya, marami nag-aabang dyan. No? Marami because there is a previous support here. No? Pwede pa niyang i-test yan before pa yan lumipad. So potentially, ang pwedeng mangyari dito, okay, this is the potential scenario. No? We can potentially look for a price area here which is the same as the support area here, okay, before it even launches an upward position. Okay? Before pa siya magkaroon ng higher high formation, this should bounce on a 38,000 level. No? It can potentially bounce on a 38,000 level. Okay. Bakit? Let me give you an example later, ha. I will teach you para nababasa mo yung mga phases na yan. By the way, congratulations again. We have 605 viewers. Congratulations. We're already normalizing the 600. Very, very good. Maraming salamat po. So here, you will notice that there is a potential regression ng price before pa siya pumunta doon. So let me tell you why. I will show to you an example of a particular chart, okay, na medyo kamukha ng chart na ito, no? At sabihin mo sa akin kung siya ay magkamukha o hindi. No? Sabihin mo sa akin maya-maya. Anyways, while I'm actually trying to pull up the file, let me greet, no? Let me greet the viewers. Goma, Soda, Denmark, hello, Mark Anthony, Sweet, Judex. Hit the heart button daw. Hit the heart button yan. Okay. So let me tell you what I'm looking at, ha. So be very, very observant, okay? Be very, very observant here. Okay. So here, you will notice that, let me just try to remove the Fibonacci's here first. Okay. So you will notice that there is a, what you call, area here, okay, of a retracement here, the 618 area. Okay. There is a 618 area here. This is again one of those anatomies or fractals or faces, kung ano-ano pa na pwede mong sabihin, no? Meron ditong tinatawag na support area on 618. So it looks like, again, it looks like it is forming another 618 here before it launches pataas. Okay, before ito umakyat pataas here. Okay, I'm now using an Investagrams, okay? Okay. It looks like it's actually waiting for a 618 bounce. Okay? So, we need to be mindful of this potential trend. Okay? So, wag kayong magiging bullish for now, no? Mag-antay muna tayo. When can we be bullish, coach? Kailan ba tayo pwedeng maging bullish sa trajectory na to? Okay? When can we be comfortable? Ano ba yung mga, kumbaga yung presyo na medyo meron ng light at the end of the tunnel, kumbaga? So balik tayo dun sa may chart natin. So what I'm trying to say here, ladies and gentlemen, okay? Type number 1 nga kung nakaka-follow, please. Type number 1 para alam ko nakaka-follow ka. Okay, type number 1 ka lang dyan. Okay, antayin kita. Nagbubura pa ako ng mga ano dito. Sige, antayin ko yung type number 1 mo. Okay? Thank you sa mga nagna-number 1 dyan. Para at least alam mo din, no? Kasi importante na yung mga ganitong bagay, alam nyo to. Diba? Ayan. Okay. So, okay, this is the current range today. Okay, thank you sa mga nagna-number 1, ha. Thank you sa mga nagna-number 1. Thank you, thank you. At least natututo kayo, ha. Gusto ko natututo ka, hindi ka nahihirapan, no? Okay. Alright. So, ito yung current formation niya ngayon. Okay, this is the current formation. Alright. Okay, so what do we need to do? What do we need to do? Okay, of course, gagawa ka ng Fib. Ayun ang trabaho ng Fibonacci. Diba? Ayun ang trabaho niya. So, kailangan bumasag ito ng 45,671. Kailangan itong bumasag ng 45,671 na resistance. Listen carefully. It needs to break out a 45,486 rather. Okay? For this to potentially go up even higher. Okay? Itong coin trajectory na to, okay, lakihan natin. Itong formation na to, this needs to go up even higher here. Kailangan niyang basagin tong resistance na to. So let me try to make a yellow bigger price. Kailangan niyang basagin tong yellow line na to. Okay, the 45,000, sulat mo yan, 45,486. Kailangan niyang basagin yan. That is the 618 of this particular formation. Okay. Pag nabasag niya to, maghahanap ka ng isang mas malaking resistance. Pag nabasag niya tong price na to, this is gonna be your trend resistance breakout. Magko-consolidate yan. Okay, if this breaks out, okay, magko-consolidate. Listen carefully. Pag magko-consolidate yan dito, pag nabasag yan, here's the potential formation. Again, this is a potential formation. So if this one, just in case, it actually tries to move and break out, no? Magko-consolidate, magkakaroon ng apex of consolidation, and can potentially break out. That is the first scenario. Okay? That's the first scenario. However, okay? However, as what we were saying, ang galing ko muna si convergence dito. I want one more. I want to see a one more lower low. Okay, I want to see a one more lower low. Listen carefully. Ito yung pwede niyang bagsakan. This is the scenario number 1. Okay? The scenario number 2 is going to be this one. Because you need to remember, meron ka nakita ditong lower low formation, which in case is a good sign of a bullish divergence or bullish convergence. You could use it alternatively. Pero mas maganda kasi yung ganito. Mas maganda yung ganitong number 2. This is the number 2 formation natin. Listen carefully. Okay? I will remove this one. The second formation could look like this. You do a bigger Fibonacci and you find out where's your 618. Okay? So what can potentially happen, ladies and gentlemen, is this. Okay? Let me try to create a trend line that will traverse your two correction areas. Okay? So what can potentially happen is you have the correction area here. No? What can potentially happen is this. Again, this is just a potential. Okay? Listen carefully. Okay. What you can potentially see is this one. This one can still consolidate, but try to test one more lower low here. It will try to consolidate further until it breaks out. Okay? Sino ang kamukha nito? Sinong kamukha nito ngayon? Do you recall sinong kamukha nito? Siguro alam niyo to pag estudyante ko kayo, ah. Okay? This is what you call an anatomy. Trend resistance breakout, consolidation, di ba? Fib where the magic happens, there is a major pullback that has happened here. Bounce on the old resistance becoming a new support. There's going to be a consolidation here. And there is an apex of resistance. And you have the consolidation. You have your apex of consolidation. This can potentially break out in this area. Potentially. This is another scenario. This is another scenario. Sino kamukha niyan? Ito yung kamukha niya, no? Look at this, everyone. Take a look at this. Yan. Ito yung kamukha niya. Okay, I will remove all of this. And then you have your support here. Okay. You have your trend resistance breakout. You have your consolidation. You have your fib where the magic happens. You have your major pullback here. You have your support identification. You have your bounce and consolidation here. There's a consolidation here. And we are waiting for the breakout. So potentially, ang nangyayari dito ngayon is another 38,000 consolidation. Another 38,000 consolidation. It will try to look like and test this particular support. Now, pag tumulong si Ada, sana naman tumulong si Ada sa atin. By the way, thank you again, 623 viewers. Well done. Alam mo, ima-manifest ko na 1,000 viewers. Sana guys, tulungan nyo kami, no? Na marami pa tayo ma-reach out, no? Thank you, thank you. Alright, sabi ni Denmark, busog-lusog daw, no? Ayan. So, this is the version B. This is the version B. No? This could be another version. Why? Why? What's gonna be happening? Because pag ito bumuo pa to ng isang divergence tulad nito, bumuo pa to ng lower low formation, and then MACD all of a sudden says, oy, teka lang boss ha, sobrang baba mo na. Hindi na totoo yan, hindi na tama yan. O, nakita mo dito, di ba? Ayan, no? Look at this. This is a very beautiful, very beautiful divergence. No? You're forming a lower low, but you're forming a higher low here on your MACD. It's converging. Naglalapit. Naglalapit. Oh, ayan. Bumababa. Ito, tumata. This is a right hand. Students, this is a right hand. Students, ha? This is a right hand. Oh, kuha mo yung picture sarili mo. Parang ng day one natin. Oh, right hand yan. So maganda aakyat yan because you have a major bullish divergence here. So, potentially pwede siguro nating gawin na na what's this? Gawa natin ng teka lang. Let me adjust. Let me adjust. This is a beautiful should be. Teka lang. Okay. So it's still actually here. It's still going upwards. I'm sorry about that. Still actually going upwards. Not my perfect divergence, no? I need to there you go. Pero still, it is a bullish convergence. No, it's actually forming a lower low and then your MACD is actually forming already an upward, MACD, no? So, pwede ka nang magka-recover dito. Pwede ka nang magka-recover dito ng upward movement, pero tingin ko malakas tong resistance na to. This is a very strong resistance. I'd rather be safe than sorry, no? So, wag muna kayo magbabaylong ng matagal. Antayin niyo munang bumasag ng consolidation dito. Please, antayin niyo tong basagin tong tinatawag natin apex of consolidation here. Okay, you have your major 618 here. Okay? Then you have this particular resistance area na bububong sa kanya. Follow this particular pattern. Follow the yellow guy. Kuha mo ng picture yan. Follow this yellow guy. Potentially, ito yung magiging trend na number 2 natin. Again, I may be wrong. Sana tumama to pataas. Sana. May kamukha nito eh. This is already looking like this eh. This one, no? You're now waiting for this to happen eh. No, you're now waiting for this to happen. Ayan, sa power daw. Thank you naman. Thank you, Castor Troy. Salamat. Tentacle, salamat. No? Yan. So, ingat kayo kasi nga, sabi ko nga nung isang araw, huwag kayong basta pumapasok na pumalo ng 40,000 tuloy. No? So, ingat tayo, huwag tayo masyadong bullish sa market. Kailangan bumasag muna ito. Para maging bullish tayo, kailangan basagin niya tong resistance na to. Gets nyo, guys? So, anyways. that is my potential area for all of you guys, no? That's my potential area of comparison for both of you guys. For I mean, these are my book comparison for both for all of you, no? Ako, kumita ako ng konti sa shorting, no? My cup of tea, my bread and butter trade is really a breakout trade. So nag-aantay ako ng breakout on this particular area. So sukatin natin gaano ba katagal 'to, no? Gaano ba katagal 'tong matagal ba 'to, coach? Tingnan natin bago mag-breakout o 1 month. 1 month. Tingnan natin kung aabot ng 1 month 'to. Baka mag-breakout na din, no? So, ngayon, pwede ba tayong ito yung isa sa mga mahirap i-trade, yung consolidation kung magko-consolidate man 'yan, eh, no? So, again, I'm hoping na ano, no, I'm hoping na by the way kasi meron naman talaga kasing ano dito, meron tayong tinatawag na bearish signal dito, 'yan, no? Kita niyo 'yan, may bearish 'yan. You know, you're forming a higher high candle, but your MACD is actually saying no. So, bumaba talaga yung price. Am I still bullish in Bitcoin? Of course, yes, I am bullish in Bitcoin. Ayan, na-screenshot na daw ni Michael. Di ba? So, this is a mini consolidation of a bigger move. No, I'm expecting that in this key level area, itong key level area na to, this can potentially go up even higher na. This can go up even higher na. Bakit? No? I think this is just one of the phases. O gawa na yung assignment ng mga estudyante ko, ha. Gawa na yung assignment nyo, ha. Ito yung assignment nyo. Napagawa ko sa inyo. I'm just kidding. Okay, so siguro ang i-add ko lang dito because it's already 11:45, no? I-add ko lang dito. Maganda yung feature ng, of course, meron tayong Binance, meron tayong all different charting tools. Pero tulad ng ginagawa ko sa aking mga videos, I still use my multi-charts. So I always use BTC and I put the other coins na gusto ko sa i-chart dito. Yan. I put other coins. And of course, kasi one of the things na manonotice mo dito, ladies and gentlemen, ito ha, I think this is one of the good things na pwede mong makita, no, as a trader. One of the good things na pwede makita as a trader is that all of the coins right now, all of them, ayan, tabi-tabi natin, ayan, all of them are actually trying to be on the 618 except si BNB, no? Lahat sila nasa 0.5 na. Ano notice mo 'yan? 'Di ba? So, you will notice that all of them are actually trying to test their 618s. 'Di ba? So, all of them, ganyan po kalakas ang Fibonacci 0.618 natin. Lahat sila are trying to potentially basagin si 618. Wag naman sanang basagin po, no? Baka para hindi kayo ma-liquidate, no? But this is a goodness. Ito po yung kagandahan ng cryptocurrency. Because of the Bitcoin dominance, lahat sila magkakamukha. Kasi marami pa rin naka-couple sa kanya, especially in the top 10 coins. No? So, this is one of the things that I think we need to be aware of. Kagandahan niya, at least magkakamukha sila. Para pag nagkaroon ng potential lower low si Bitcoin, then alam mo na yung magiging entry sa other coins. But again, guys, I may be wrong, ha? I may be wrong, no? But at least for the past couple of months na nag-uusap tayo, lagi naman tayong tama. So, lagi ko lang sinasabi, I may be wrong. Di ba? Para humble lang tayo, guys. We're just humble, no? Humble lang tayo and happy naman tayo at nakakatulong tayo sa inyo. Okay? So, yon. So, ingat at be very careful with this market. And of course, Let us try to read some of the questions there online. Let me just try to read some of your questions. Again, thank you. All-time high, 623 viewers. Ako, sana one of these days umabot tayo ng 700. Kaya natin to guys, di ba? Please share nyo sa mga friends nyo itong ating show kung natutulungan kayo. And at least sana dumami pa tayo lalo. Alright? So, sabi ni Alan Kilingking, sabay-sabay bubulusok pataas yan, Coach. Exactly, because of Bitcoin dominance. Ilang beses na ako tumama sa iyo, Coach. Uy, salamat naman. Sabi ni Martin Legaspi, ilang beses na akong tumama. Sana yung tamang-tama. kaya sa iyo ako, Coach. Sabi ng, ay, thank you. Spoiler daw ako. Sabi ni Irene, sorry, Coach, related sa rate. May insights ka po ba sa bakit from 2.25, 1.78 na lang po? I think there is a impact on Double Dragon. Kasi basta mga rental kasi ngayon medyo this is my opinion, no. I think mga rental kasi ngayon, remember meron silang plano sa Double Dragon na City Mall, mga ganyan. May pandemic kasi, no? Ang tingin kong dapat gawin ni Double Dragon, dapat ang gawin nila, they also, I think they have naman, no? They have naman, but they unlike Ayala kasi, they're not only doing property rentals on the mall areas. Ang ginagawa ng Ayala, they build the area, the urban hub, for example, Ayala Exchange, yung tabi ng MRT, Ayala North, Ayala Vertis North, 'di ba? They create the area that is for office, not necessarily a mall-based. So I think proof of concept nila 'yon, kaya medyo malaki ang earnings. No, but of course, Ayala is still Ayala, right? And I think Double Dragon is still a booming. But just wait for it, right? Because again, they're listed now in FTSE, di ba? Sana nakatulong yun sa'yo, Irene, okay? Heartvich, pwede pong song request. Anong song request gusto mo? Maghahanda na ba tayo para sa song number bukas? Okay, wait lang. Burn mouths, may tama ka, Coach. Okay. Romel, okay, parang Romel. Guys, question, anong dapat kong gawin pag hindi ma-verify ang account ko sa Binance? Hello, Coach, already preparing na ako sa... Uy! Congratulations, ha? Congratulations, Romel. Sige, atin ka na sa class natin. Verify, may problema ba sa ID? Ano ba sa ID? Hindi ma-verify? Anong error message? Josh, tinamaan na ako sa'yo, sabi ni Josh. Turio, lagi ko share ang iyong mga video, Coach. Uy, salamat. Salamat, Turio, okay? Coach, anong dapat inumin na gamot? Basta bukas antayin mo yung kanta namin. Nagpa-practice na yung si Sweet. Alam niyo ba? I'll spoil you guys. Si Sweet, sabi niya sa akin kanina. Coach, Sweet, huwag mo ako i-block, ah. Yung sabihin ko sa inyo, sabi niya sa akin kanina, Coach, ano bang kakantayin ko na para practice na tayo para hindi na ako mabully bukas? Sabi niya yon. Uy, thank you, Rap Villamor. Sabi niya, Coach, napakahusay mo talaga. Sana maraming matulungan. Uy, salamat po. God bless po. God bless. Ruan, let's claim it. Go! Yay! Si Ruan 23 ba to si Ruan? If you are Ruan, let me know. Sige, let me know. You need to be a moderator here. Sabi ni Sweet, Hoy, Coach. Sabi ko kasi kanina, sabi ko sa kanya ganito. Wait lang. Ganito. Sabi ko, bakit ngayon ka lang? Tapos binabaan ako ng Facebook. Sabi ba naman sa akin, ano ba yan, Coach? Kailangan nyo mababa. Mababa pa. Sabi niya, sabi bukas na lang natin ituloy itong usapan na to. Ano guys, sa tingin nyo, ano kakantayin ni Sweet? Kakanta ba yan bukas? O baka tama, Vince, no? Mag-Christmas song na lang. Mag-Christmas song na lang yung si Sweet para wala tayong problema. Coach, ang lakas ng anatomy mo. Sa plus Elliot at Fib, pinagsama ko kitang-kita yung trend. Alam mo, yun exactly. Hindi ko na tinuturo si Elliot kasi almost the same. So congratulations, well done. Buti nakita mo yan. Very good. Skip to my loot. Sige, very good. Share mo sa akin yung ano mo, yung chart. Sige, I wanna see that. Giles, thank you coach. I love you, sabi niya. Ah, ay naku talaga, sabi ni Sweet. Ang lamig. Ano yung malamig, Arvin? Excited na ako tuloy bukas. Personally, naglalaro ba si coach na, uy, oo, not the one, manood ka ha. Ang MMR ko, 2,100 ngayon. Rank 400 na ako. Suddenly. Ano suddenly, Judex yan? Kaabang-abang daw yung live bukas. Baka maubos yung audience natin. Malapit na daw yung Pasko, sabi ni Ronel. Mark, pero sana na all maganda kumanta. Uy, Jared, shout out sa'yo. Marami. Uy, ako'y ka natutunan sa kuya. Uy, maray na banggi sa Indogabos yung Jared, Isa'y karibanan mo ngayon na kikinig ng show natin. Karibanan mo yung mga tugang mo or saro ka man lang dyan sa kwarto. Anyways, thank you coach. Nakakabili ulit ako ng BTC sa 42,000. Nakatambay yung stop limit ko, 5K petot. Sabi ni LA. Anong through the... Oy, ano, Sweet, may nag-request na. Through the fire daw yung kakantahin mo. O, sige. Pwede lang yung mga mawabang kanta. Sabi ni Gab, Sweet, ready na kami sa Jose Marichan nyo bukas ni coach. Paglamig na daw. Sabi ni Heart, higni daw ng... Sinong gustong kahag si Heart? Ayan. Angelo Robles, hello, hello. Nothing's gonna stop. Ang dami yung request. Alright. Uy, skip. Uy, estudyante ka pala to skip to my Lou. Alumni na pala. Ayun, very good, very good, very good. Coach, hindi na ako magka-copy trade. Nag-trade ako ngayon, gain $38. Uy, congratulations. Ayun. Uy, Sweet, makinig ka na naman nire-request sa'yo dito, Ang sarap talaga manood ng live ni Coach gabi-gabi. Dami natututunan. Ay, salamat, Alan, Thank you, thank you. Coach Miranda Gaming, TV Sakalam. Arvin, ang lamig ng boses mo, Coach. Galing ni kakakanta. Uy, salamat, salamat. Pakirelate naman Feast of the Anatomy sa relationship. Wait ko, sabi ni Nida. Uy, sabi ni Boss Nida, pakirelate to yung... Alam mo ang anatomy ng relationship, meron munang consolidation yan. Kailangan nagko-consolidate, nagko-courting stage. Yan, courting stage yan. Tapos nagkaroon ng breakout, no? Breakout, cool off konti. Tapos kikita ulit, tapos nagkaroon na ng feast where the magic happens. Pero sana yung relationship, walang pullback. Diba? Sana yung relationship ninyo, sana wala ng pullback, guys. Okay? Anyways, what do you think po sa Plants vs. Undead? Alam mo, iniisip ko mag-review ako ng mga ganito. Marami nagsasabi sa inyo, Plants vs. Undead, Monster, mga ganyan. Sige, review natin yan. Sige. Endless Love ko. Sige, Endless Love. Sige, taga. Kakakanta lang ako ng isa lang tapos ano na tayo, Sweet, para sa ito. Hindi pala para sa'yo. Kakantahin mo pala yung kalahati bukas. Before mag-end ng show. Teka lang. Ito na. My love, there's only you in my life. The only thing that's right. Di ba? Okay. Bukas, coach, ikaw yung unang kakanta pag opening ng show bukas, Anyways, guys, nag-enjoy ako today. Maraming salamat. Sana may natutunan ka today. And of course, meron lang akong isang mabilis na announcement. I don't wanna just burst the love bubble, no? Pero guys, I would like to show to you ang isang aking announcement po. Bukas, not actually on October 8 po. On October 8, because merong Love is in the Air, meron po tayong Love is in the Community, no? So, I would like to let you guys know na meron po tayong tinatawag na community. Community na pwede po nating tulungan, no? So tentatively on October 8, 2021, Friday 10 a.m. to 12 noon, i-join nyo po kami because we will pledge our love and support for a street child. So virtually po, magkakaroon po tayo ng Zoom and Google Meeting wherein we're gonna be doing some storytelling for the kids po. Tapos, if you want to join yung part na magsa-storytelling virtually, tapos meron din po ang gagawin na financial training doon sa mga adults po ng Child Hope Philippines. So if you want po to extend a help to the community, please coordinate with Jen Pagsaligan. we're gonna be inviting you to join us, no? On Friday, tentatively October 8, 10 a.m. to 12 noon. You can join us po over virtual, no? Tapos we will be having an activity po, and it's up to you po if you'd like to pledge a donation. Pero you will not donate it to us, no? Bibigay po namin sa inyo diretso yung account numbers ng Child Hope Philippines. Ipe-pledge nyo lang po sa amin kung magkano para matali po namin yung total donation ng Global Miranda Miner Community. Tapos we will acknowledge you po. We will read. If you want us to read your name or you want it to be anonymous, it's okay. But we will acknowledge your contribution po. At of course, alam na po ng Lord yan kung kayo po ay nag-donate. And I'm sure that the universe will bring you back the good karma, ika nga. No? So, join us po kasi meron na po kaming nalikom na pera. Ido-donate po namin yon, okay na po kami. But if you guys would like to join us, let us know, connect with Jen Pagsaligan. We will invite you and give you the link para makapag-join po kayo sa aming partnership with the Child Hope Philippines. Guys, ito yung puso ni Coach Miranda Miner. Ito po yung aking gustong gawin every year. Para pong last year, nandun po kami sa Pampanga, we're actually giving goods sa mga nasalanta po sa Masantol, Pampanga, nung baha po. So this time, guys, we're gonna be giving to the street children, and I would like this to become, kasi personal mission ko po talaga ito. Every year po 'yan. Every year matagal ko na pong ginagawa ito. Sana po join us to give a little bit of love and support for the community, street children of Child Hope Philippines. So maraming maraming salamat, guys, and sana ay tulungan nyo kami palagi, no? Sa ganitong mga adhikain. So with that said, I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Sana kinilig ka sa mga kanta-kanta ni Coach. No? At maraming salamat. I love you guys. I love you 3,000, and God bless you. God bless you, and stay safe po, no? Stay safe, and for any questions about the university, please email us at elite university at globalmirandaminer.com. And of course, abayan mo kami bukas sa Dear Coach. Ang aming pong topic tomorrow is about naloko sa isang investment, no? Ano ba ang aming maipapayo? Again, our advice is not a financial advice. This is just a mindset, a point of view ng isang trader. Ano ba yung tingin namin dapat ginawa natin? At sana makatulong ito sa'yo bilang isang community member natin. So again, maraming salamat. Good night, and I love you 3,000. Bye.